Ini ada Ray dengan Darth Vader lah.
I am your father.
Wih, tak skip ke? Ray pun ada lah, Mat. Ray dengan Darth Vader. Siap ah. Lawa gila dia orang buat benda ni. Siap nampak peluh-peluh lagi weh, tengok. Ni benda apa ni? Astronaut Neil Armstrong. Adakah dia orang yang pertama? Ish, ni kamera real weh. Warren Buffett. Betul ke makanan ni? Betul lah, Mat. Diorang awet lah makanan ni. The most richest person in the world, Bill Gates.
Bill Gates.
You know who create Instagram? Mark Zuckerberg.
Is this Bill Gates?
Mark Zuckerberg.
This one Mark Zuckerberg.
Yes.
This one Jack Ma.
Yes. That one?
Stephen Hawking.
I am Stephen Hawking.
Stephen.
I want to take picture of him, selfie. Stephen Hawking, look at this. Look here. There, see? Hihi. Dapat pula gambar dengan Stephen Hawking. Full lama. Tapi ni seram weh. Ada pula dia kat sini. Tak nak makan apple ke? Boleh masuk ke dalam ni? Wih, boleh masuk weh. Aku dekat dalam rumah. Yeah. Aku dekat dunia macam-macam dunia weh. Wih, Sun Wukong weh. Benda ni dah berapa ribu tan ni. Macam ni dia boleh tahan benda kat Sun Wukong. Chinese monkey fighter.
Chinese movies monkey fighter.
Yes, this one is, you know how heavy this. The only person who can lift this is him. Yes.
One picture, please.
Okay, you picture Sun Wukong. He are looking here, so I pick like this. Okay. Ni Cina ni banyak ni. Ip Man bro. Macam mana gaya Ip Man lah? Like this. Yes. Yo, real weh. Aku pun boleh. Bukan gila dengan aku, main gila. Asli pun ada kat sini. I know this guy. He is my uncle. No, just kidding. You do this, you do like this, you do like this. I show you. Like that. You take picture like that. Here. Yeah. See? You know this guy? Jackie Chan.
What I do?
Yeah, do this. Yeah?
Who is this?
Singer.
Take me picture with
Singer in India. This name, see? Aishwarya Rai.
the not singer. This
Yeah,
is actress.
actress. Yes. 1, 2, and okay. I good at taking picture, you know. Kim So Hyun, actress. Wish, macam-macam Korea ada, Cina ada, India ada, semua ada. Apa lagi ada? Siapa ni? Lee Min Ho. This is the most popular person in Korea until now. Lee Min Ho. He used to fight, you know.
Is it fighter?
No, he's not a fighter.
In
He's an
movies.
actress. Actress in
Not
Korea.
actress, actor.
Actor.
You say actress.
Oh yeah, actor. Not actress. Actress is for woman. Pandai pula English kau. Song Ji Ho and Kim Jae Suk. This one is actor also. Yoo Jae Suk. You know the